All right, y'all, about to give y'all a couple players to get, man, for y'all that didn't watch my daily live trade. These some that probably not on there, some on my some in another portfolio on here. But just getting y'all ready for tomorrow, man. These options you can go at. All these stocks are undervalued. Nice dividend payers. Also, man, let's get to it. All right, we're gonna start out with Wendy's. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Giving y'all all this game for free 99, man. We can go with Wendy's at $12.50. Why am I buying it? All right, 52-week low is $12.05 with a 52-week high of $20.65. PE ratio is 13.16. Average trade value of 5.49 million. This is a nice start to swing trade, man. This stock does move quick. And you see the 52-week high is 20.65 upside, about $8 a share. I know this should get back to 17 bucks. I think they did move the price target down to $17, but all stocks are getting ate up. Market cap $2.45 billion. Dividend yield 7.94%. They pay a dividend of 25 cents a share a month. Analysts got this as a whole. All right, next up we're gonna go with FLO, man. I'm gonna go with Flowers Food. Got UPS on there too. We're gonna go that route too. Flowers Food, y'all know they make the bakery stuff. 17.33 is the low. Right now it's at 17.59. The low 52-week low 17.33. Would have $26.12 upside about what that is, $9 a share. Analysts got this as a whole also. Average trade value of 2.18 million, P ratio 15.03. This might could come down some more. 3.71 billion, dividend yield 5.45%. Gotta love that dividend. All right, let's go with UPS. They just had news came out yesterday that they are laying off 20,000 workers and closing down 73 facilities in the United States so they can operate a little leaner and have better earnings. $95.24 was trading at. 52 lows $90.55. With a high of $153.42. Question is, can you see that high, that 52-week high? Again, probably not. PE ratio is 14.12. Average trade value 6.4 million with a regular trade value of 9.29 million. Market cap 80.77 billion, 6.78% dividend yield. Analysts got this as a whole and a buy. Good earnings. But yeah, this one I'm definitely buying. Like I said, I'm a dollar cost average on in on this one. Like I said, you can't beat that dividend yield, man. Gotta have that. Let me see. Okay. I'm going with KHC, man. Crafts Company. I am right, Kraft Heinz. I knew I always call it say Kraft Heinz. I'm thinking about Kraft Foods too, like macaroni. That's probably some of their company. Anyway, man, trading at $29. I like this. This will buy me at 29 and under. 52-week low 27.25 with a high of 37.06. Average trade value 11.48 million. Market cap 34.73 billion. PE ratio 13.17 with a dividend yield of 5.54%. Got this as a whole. Good earnings, man. Like these stocks I'm giving you, especially dividends in that 5 to 7% range, 5 to 9% range. Them ones you gotta have, man. I mean, KHC, UPS, Flowers Food, and Wendy's. Those are all excellent dividend payout, high dividends. They're not like the REITs that pay double dividend yields, but they got a higher market cap than the rest of the REITs, meaning that, and probably lower payout dividend payout ratio also, meaning that your dividend will be much safer. Okay. The other one I like, man, AGNC. Just a monthly paying REIT. Down to $8.88. Got down to $8.70 today. $8.69. We're gonna call it. $7.85 is the 52-week low. With a high of $10.85. I think this gonna surge past that. I think it's gonna go back to $12 plus once these interest rates get cut and everything. You know, after all that, probably like 2026, 2027. Like I say, 2025 gonna be an accumulation year on stuff, dealing with all these tariffs and all the other nonsense going on. Will be a good time for you to accumulate. Average trade volume is 29.82. The regular trade volume 29.42. Anytime you can catch this stock under $9.20, it's a buy. $9 and under, you can kind of load up. I don't know if you're ever gonna see this 785. This just happened like in the last month with the tariff thing. P ratio 24.53. Market cap 8.3 billion. Dividend yield 15.88%. This stock has been paying a dividend of 12 cents a share a month ever since I've been trading since 2020. They got it as a hold, strong hold, and a strong hold buy and a strong buy. Just like my favorite REIT, to be honest, man. If you hear me trading on my daily live trade on my Robinhood trade, you might hear me say I'm gonna dump a lot of REITs. Dollar cost averaging down to them for a swing trade, because all the REITs I'm gonna keep gonna be, if I'm gonna take any risks, it's gonna be with ORC and ARR, Armor Residential REIT. I think between ORC, ARR, and AGNC is the best. Also got Realty O. You got Stag. You got dang, what's that other one, man? It'll come to me in a minute. I think it started with a W. It'll come to me in a second. I got it in my Cash App portfolio, but that one, and you got some other ones that are good too, but follows with this high dividend yield, man. You cannot go wrong with AGNC, especially if you searching for yield. Let me give you one more. I think everybody been feeling the pain with this one, Nike. This one I think I'm gonna get out of also too. I'm just tired of dealing with the apparel and the shoes, man. Like companies, too much competition. Nike at $56.64, 52-week low, 52.28. Average trade volume 20.11 million with a regular trade 13.40 million. P ratio 18.74. Market cap 85 billion. We're gonna call it. Dividend yield 2.84%. Analysts got this as a buy and a hold. And Nike seem to always have good earnings, man. Just as I see, this competition with this apparel and this shoe stuff, clothing, just too thick for me. I'm kind of gonna get out of the clothing and the shoes and stuff, and probably some of the food stuff too. So but that's it, man. Just giving you another way to go. Do whatever you want. Just want to give you some undervalued stocks, man. Signing off. Go get your money.